Chairman CC LHDC Kargil Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhund today inaugurated a 5-day multi-super specialty medical camp at the Tourist Facilitation Center in Kargil. This camp has been organized by the LHDC Kargil in collaboration with the district administration and Ashoka Mission. Doctors from AIIMS and Safdarganj Hospital in Delhi will be attending to patients at the district hospital Kargil. In his address, CC Dr. Jafar commended the efforts of Ashoka Mission and paid tribute to the late Lama Lobsang for their outstanding contributions to the health sector. Executive Councillor for Social Welfare LHDC Kargil, Aga Saeed Mujtaba, praised the dedication of the medical fraternity and expressed hope for more such camps in the future. ITI Leh, in collaboration with NIELIT Leh, hosted the Prime Minister's National Apprenticeship Mela in Leh, Ladakh, showcasing stalls from various apprenticeship programs. The event highlighted opportunities for skill development and employment, fostering interactions between apprentices and employers to promote vocational training in the region. In Ladakh, the Department of Agriculture, Kargil, organized a highly successful one-day workshop cum awareness camp at Ur Baltak village in Kargil B zone. Hundreds of enthusiastic farmers, particularly women eager to enhance their agricultural knowledge and practices, participated in the workshop. The councillor of Ur Baltak, Manzoor ul Hussain, principal scientist of KVK1 Kargil, Dr. Mohammad Mehdi Akhund, DAO Extension Kargil, AAI, AEOs and JEOs from the Agriculture Department were also present on the occasion. Leh Apex Body reconvened for a detailed meeting under the chairmanship of co-chairman Apex Body Chairing Dorje La Crook, following a brief pause in the movement in view with the recent general election. As previously announced, LAB activities would resume the activities after the elections. The meeting was joined by the President Ladakh Buddhist Association, General Secretary Ladakh Gompa Association, President Anjuman Imamia Leh, and others. The meeting focused on strategizing further actions to advocate for their 4-point demands submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhund, Chairman CEC of LHDC Kargil, led a crucial meeting at the conference hall of LHDC Secretariat Kargil. The focus of the meeting was to tackle various issues pertaining to the mining department in Kargil. The Municipal Committee Kargil hosted a significant interaction over lunch, bringing together beneficiaries of the PM Swanidhi scheme alongside street vendors from Kargil and committee staff. The event served as a platform for dialogue and engagement, highlighting the impact of the scheme on local vendors.